In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Attio for revenue tracking. We'll build a clean, easy-to-read pipeline, add the right stages, and create a sample deal you can move through the process. Start by opening your workspace's home in Attio. From here, create a new list using the plus icon. A dedicated list keeps revenue data separate and consistent, which makes it easier to report on performance and share a focused view with your team. Choose to start from scratch so you control exactly how the pipeline is structured. Select Deals as the object. Deals are the backbone of revenue tracking in Attio, and tying your list to deals gives you access to values, owners, and stages for forecasting. Give the list a clear name, let's call it Revenue Pipeline, and create the list. For a sales pipeline, Kanban view works great because it shows each stage as a column and lets you drag deals forward as they progress. Switch to Kanban and add a simple title for the view so everyone recognizes what they're looking at. Next, set up the status attribute that will power your columns. Create a new status attribute and confirm it. This attribute defines how deals move through your pipeline and enables filtering and reporting by stage. Add your stages one by one using the plus icon. Start with Lead, which captures new opportunities that have entered your system but haven't been qualified. Add Qualified to represent opportunities that meet your criteria and are worth pursuing. Add Negotiation for active discussions around scope, pricing, and terms. Add Closed Won for deals you've successfully completed and will count toward revenue. Finally, add Closed Lost for opportunities that didn't move forward. Keeping this stage helps with loss analysis and process improvement. Now, add a deal so you can see the workflow in action. Create a new deal and give it a descriptive name, installation for example, then create the record. Set the deal stage to In Progress. For this example, so it appears in the correct column. Assign a deal owner to track accountability and handoffs. Enter the deal value. This number feeds your revenue projections and helps with weighted pipeline analysis, so use your standard currency and be consistent with formatting. Create the record to save it to your database. When the opportunity advances, update the stage to Negotiation. You can drag it across the board or change the status directly. Finally, add the deal to your list so it's visible in this pipeline view. Quick recap. You created a deals list, chose Kanban, set a status attribute, defined stages, added a deal, assigned ownership and value, and moved it through the pipeline. That's your foundation for accurate revenue tracking in Attio. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.